Hi everyone. Today we are reading the book The Worry Monsters by Sally Ripin. Hey Jack. Yeah. So shall we start off?
Jack and Billy.
Yeah. Illustrations by Stephanie Strapples. Chapter 1. Today we are starting with the story. This is Jack. Today Jack is feeling worried. His class has a spelling test next week.
Yes.
Yeah.
And Jack's tummy squeezed.
Heartbeat increasing, tummy squeezing tight, sweaty palm. Jack is worried. You think na he's worried, right?
Yes.
Okay, page number 3. Now we are going to page number 4. Jack is good at maths and art, but terrible at spellings.
Yes.
He cannot understand why
Why
two and two are spelled differently.
Yes.
Yeah. TOO2, TO2 and TWO2. Spelling makes no sense for Jack.
Yes.
Jack has 24 words to remember for the spelling test.
Yes.
Outside it is sunny.
Yes.
We know the word sunny, right?
Yes.
Yeah. It comes from sun. Like
S.
yeah, Sunday.
Like
Like the sun.
No.
Then
Like the
days of week, Sunday. Then
like
the color you are thinking.
No.
Then
Like the book. S.
yeah, like the book. Yes.
See?
Yes, souls. Okay. And Jack's puppy wants to play. Jack pushes the list of words to the
Yes.
bottom of his bag.
Yes.
See, you can see he's putting the list in the bottom of his bag. He will worry about the spelling test later.
Yes.
Jack is in mood to play, huh?
Yes.
But not completing homework.
Yes.
On the next page. So Jack and Scrapes play
Yes.
outside in the
Yes.
back garden. So Scrapes is Jack's dog, right?
Yes.
They laugh and bark and roll around on the
Yes.
grass, having a good time.
Yes.
Soon it is time to go inside for dinner.
Yes.
Oh, the whole evening went. Jack's mom has cooked his favorite pasta big. You also like pasta, right? Okay, she gives him an extra big serving. Jack is hungry, huh, after playing? Did you get any school notices today?
No.
Mother asks Jax. And Jack's mom asks, okay. And suddenly Jax remember the list of the words at the bottom of his bag. He is also thinking no, but he remembers that there is spelling test
Yes.
and he have to prepare. But he
Yes.
hides it. Very bad, Jack. Then his tummy quizzy is tried. He looks down at his plate. See, he is worried, totally worried. You can also see the salt and pepper over there in the picture, huh?
Yes.
Like you see on the hotel table. Very good.
Yes.
Hmm. Hmm.
And see home.
Home. Yeah. Chair, table, dining table, home.
Yes.
Correct. No, he says. Jack does not want to think about the spelling test.
Yes.
It makes his tummy hurt.
Yes.
So a big word like hurt. So he tries to finish his dinner,
Yes.
but the pasta doesn't taste so good anymore because he is worried. Now
Yes.
hunger is gone. He is worried
Yes.
about the test. Okay. Then what happens? The night comes. That night, Jack lies awake in the dark.
Yes.
In his room, totally dark. The worry is in his tummy are getting bigger and bigger.
Monster.
They feel like big scary monsters coming.
And this is what small.
Yeah, this one is small, but too many stomachs, huh?
Yes.
They are whispering.
This big and this big,
Ah.
this small.
They are whispering mean things to him. One is telling, you are terrible at spellings, huh? You are terrible, you are not remembering anything. One is telling, you are going to fail the test. The small one is teasing him, fail, fail, fail. See, Jack is worried, totally worried. Under his blanket, he is just looking for the monsters. He's scared, huh? Now what he does, once he's scared, when you are scared, you go and read Hanuman Chalisa, right? But Jack has different plan. He turns on the light. Good. He gets out of bed and goes to his school bag. Oh wow! So will he start studying? What do you think? Will he start
No.
studying? No. The list of words is still scrunched up at the bottom. He is not touching it, huh? But Jack sees the comic book he got from the school library. Funny bag. Now he will read the comic book, huh? Jack snuggle backs into the bed with the comic book. Read. So now he is reading. At
Yes.
least one thing he is doing good is reading. Correct?
Yes.
Very good. Now we go to the other end of this chapter 1. There is still a whole week until the test.
Page number 2.
Now, the end part of story, he will worry about it tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay, someone
Page
does have
number
scribbled. Okay, chapter 2. Okay, the next day. All that week, TWO2, chapter 2. Correct.
Yes.
All that week, Jack is very busy. See, things if we say started from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, every whole week is busy. Hmm?
I'm say Monday.
Yeah, you say Monday. M say Monday. Okay. Yes, correct. At schools, he plays with Scooter, with his friend Billy. Okay. Now let's see what they do more. After school, he plays with Scrap. Daily same routine.
Yeah.
School also playing. After school also playing. He is not preparing for the spellings.
Yes.
On the weekend, he and Billy build a huge pirate ship from chairs and broomstick
Yes.
and bed sheets. On
Yes.
Sunday night, Jack packs his bag for
Yes.
school. Now all he'll do again the spelling test. At the bottom of the bag is a scrunch piece of paper.